Hey, what's up everyone? It's your name here with Quick Tax and Accounting Solutions. You know, one of the things I hear all the time from entrepreneurs and small business owners is how much they dread tax season. It's this looming deadline, full of paperwork and confusion, and honestly, who needs that stress? That's why we're here to break it all down for you. In this video, we're going to walk through how to file your taxes easily, stress-free, and most importantly, how to potentially save you some serious money in the process. Let's do this! Okay, before we even think about diving into forms and numbers, we need to get organized. Trust me, this step is going to save you so much headache later on. Think of it like this. You wouldn't start building a house without gathering all the materials first, right? Same goes for your taxes. First things first, you're going to need your income statements. This means rounding up all your W-2s if you're employed by someone else, or your 1099s if you're freelancing or doing contract work. These forms basically tell the IRS how much money you made during the year. Next up, deductions. This is where things get interesting because deductions are like magic tricks to lower your tax bill. But to work this magic, you need proof. That means digging up receipts for any business expenses. And I'm talking everything: software subscriptions, marketing costs, travel. If it's business related, keep those receipts. Now, depending on your business, you might also have reports showing your business income, especially if you're selling products or services online. Gather those up too. And finally, grab a copy of last year's tax return if you have it. It's super helpful as a reference point. All right, now that you've channeled your inner organization guru, let's talk strategy. When it comes to actually filing those taxes, you've got options. The first option is the DIY route, self-filing. You can tackle this beast on your own using tax software like TurboTax or H&R Block. These platforms can be pretty user-friendly, especially for straightforward tax situations. Option number 2 is bringing in the big guns, hiring a tax professional. This is where an experienced CPA or tax preparer swoops in and works their magic, potentially uncovering deductions you didn't even know existed. They're like the tax whisperers. And finally, we have option number 3, which just might be the easiest and most stress-free of them all, using Quicktax and Accounting Solutions. We take the hassle out of tax season by handling everything for you, from organizing your documents to maximizing your deductions and ensuring everything is filed accurately and on time. Think of us as your dedicated tax team, minus the overhead. So, which route is right for you? Well, if you have a pretty simple tax situation and feel comfortable navigating the tax code yourself, self-filing might be a good fit. But if you're running a business, especially if it's growing quickly, or if you just want the peace of mind that comes with having an expert in your corner, then Quicktax and Accounting Solutions is here to help. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite part: saving money. Deductions and credits are like hidden treasures in the tax code, and I'm here to help you find them. One of the most overlooked deductions, especially for you freelancers and home-based business owners, is the home office deduction. If you have a dedicated space in your home where you work, you could be eligible to write off a portion of your rent or mortgage interest, utilities, and even your internet bill. Then we have the king of all deductions for business owners: business expenses. Remember all those receipts we meticulously gathered earlier? This is where they shine. We're talking about deducting expenses like software subscriptions, marketing and advertising costs, travel expenses, office supplies. The list goes on. And don't forget about those health insurance premiums and retirement contributions. If you're self-employed, deducting these expenses can make a huge difference in your tax liability. Remember, the name of the game here is to reduce your taxable income, and deductions are your secret weapon. But here's the thing: tax laws can be complex, and what's deductible one year might not be the next. That's why it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional to make sure you're maximizing your deductions and staying on the right side of the IRS. We're in the home stretch now. You've gathered your documents, chosen your filing method, and unearthed those valuable deductions. Now it's time to seal the deal and submit your tax return. Mark your calendars because the tax deadline is April 15th, and trust me, the IRS doesn't mess around with deadlines. Now, if you're feeling the pressure and need a little more time to get everything in order, don't panic. you can actually file for an extension, which gives you an extra 6 months. But keep in mind, this only extends the deadline to file, not the deadline to pay any taxes owed. If you're working with Quicktax and Accounting Solutions, we'll handle all of this for you, ensuring your return is filed accurately and on time so you can avoid those pesky penalties. We'll even help you set up payment plans if needed, so you can manage your tax liability without breaking the bank. Remember, filing your taxes doesn't have to be a dreaded annual event. With a little organization, the right strategy, and the help of Quicktax and Accounting Solutions, you can actually conquer tax season with confidence and maybe even save some money in the process. See, that wasn't so bad, right? Filing your taxes doesn't have to be a stressful, hair-pulling experience. With the right preparation and maybe a little help from some experts, you can file with confidence and maximize your savings. If you're ready to ditch the tax time stress and partner with a team who's got your back, reach out to Quicktax and Accounting Solutions today. We'll handle everything for you, so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more tax and business tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching. Filing taxes doesn't have to be stressful. With the right preparation and expert help, you can file your taxes easily and maximize your savings. Need help with tax filing? Contact Quicktax and Accounting Solutions today. Call us at 855-286-9829. Visit our website, quicktaxandaccounting.com. Like, share, and subscribe for more tax tips and business advice.